2015 was a very good year again. Sales increased by 25%, and if you currency adjust, 16%, which is also very satisfactory, I find. And if you look at the operating profit, that's also very good, more than 150 million, giving us operating margin by more than 30%, which is our objective. So sales were really good. I'm very happy with that. And if you look in particular what was good, Latin America was good, and particularly then Brazil. A big success, a very, very successful launch, which was followed up by good work by our partner there, Aché. They have two very strong sales forces that we have been educated together with them, and that's really showing fantastic results. Other countries which were good were also Peru, actually, Chile, but also Europe. Our old markets are moving ahead, like Italy again, France, Germany, and other European markets as well. So all told, we're quite happy with that. As you know, clinical trials are really our best marketing material. That's what we show the doctors and other health professionals when we go out and visit them, and when our distributors visit them, to convince them that our products are safe and efficacious. And this year, 2015, was no exception. We had 22 new studies on our different strains, and they were all published. And as I said, it's extremely important marketing material. If you look at maybe our most important indication, which is colic for babies, we had a meta-analysis that was published, again showing that Lactobacillus reuteri protectis is actually the only probiotic and one of the few remedies that work against colic. Of course, that is fantastic marketing material when we show that to doctors. And I think there is nobody that today doubts that Lactobacillus reuteri protectis works against colic. If you look further into the studies that were done during last year, there was one very interesting study also in elderly persons on Candida, where our Prodentis product showed that it actually reduced the Candida in the oral cavity of elderly people. And of course that's a very serious problem for older people, and this is a totally new indication area for us. Otherwise also we had a number of other oral health studies that again confirms the efficacy in periodontal disease, which is our main indication for this product. We had another very interesting study coming out of Botswana on smaller children and diarrhea, and it actually showed that giving them our product made them grow more quickly. So the stunting problem that is very frequent in these areas was overcome. That's a very intriguing study, which will then be followed up by a bigger study, hopefully during the year. Product development is really a very important area for us as well. And since a few years we have developed a new product called Easy Dropper. It looks actually like that, and it replaces or complements our glass bottle for baby drops. And it has been really well received by consumers and our distributors because it's much easier to dose and get every drop out of it. That's just an example of what we're doing in the product development area. We hope that this one will really develop well during this year, next year. This product was developed together with our subsidiary Tupac, and as you might know, we have a subsidiary called Tupac, and they are manufacturing products for us, only for us actually. And it's very important to have them within the group because we are together with them improving our products already from the beginning, and they can also build new machines for us that nobody else can do. So it's a part of our product development strategy to have them within the group, have them manufacturing new innovative products. We have another subsidiary called IBT, and they are developing a pharmaceutical product. And this product is against a prevention product against a disease called NEC, necrotizing enterocolitis, that affects premature babies. It's a very serious disease. If the baby gets it, it has a very high likelihood of dying actually. So with this product, hopefully we can save life. And now we are in the development phase. We have an open IND in the US. We also have an approval by the Swedish Medical Agency to start clinical trials here in Sweden. This subsidiary needs a lot of capital. So what we're going to do is we're going to separate it, we're going to list it, we're going to give it as a dividend to the shareholders of BioGaia. This is a decision that will be taken by a shareholders meeting actually very soon, and hopefully that will go through so that we can establish the company ABT as a separate unit. They have a lot of other ideas also for premature babies, but this is really the focus for coming years. Since 1st of March we have a new managing director. His name is Axel Sjöblad, and we recruited him at the end of last year. And we have now been working in parallel for some time, and I can just say it's a pleasure to work with him, and he's going to do a fantastic job. I will spend more time with the subsidiaries as the group president, and that's IBT and Tupac and also Capable. And I think the two of us together will bring this company forward in a different and maybe even quicker way. I would like to thank you for 2015, which was, as I said, a fantastic year, but also for a long period of years where I have been in the role of managing director here. So thank you very much, and see you in my new role. Bye.